Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at dannygs.thoughtfortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. And today, it's a little bit different. I'm going to be reading words from the author, who is Danny G. So here we begin. Invest time every day to refocus your thoughts in a positive direction. Whether it's meditating, affirmations, visualization, or reading a book on spiritual wellness. Everyone has a few minutes every day to spare for something that is ideally for their well-being. Just a few minutes per day can redirect your mind and life, and you'll know how to handle the challenges with greater ease and wisdom. What you project, you receive. So ensure you stay focused on your spiritual journey. Thank you so much, Danny G. That is powerful. I love those words, and I believe in those words with all my heart and soul. I believe whatever you put out there is going to come back, because that's what God knows what you want. So those vibrations, if you're always negative and going on social media and complaining about things and hoping people complain back with you or agree with you, all that is doing is reinforcing the negativity you're putting out there. So that's what God's going to send back. The universe, whatever you want to call that energy. I call it God because that's how I think. But whatever you put out, you're going to get back. I truly believe that with all my heart and soul. Thank you so much for listening, and have a beautiful day.